The outcome bias is when we make judgments about the quality of a decision when we already know the outcome of such decision. This is a blessing and a curse, so to speak. This bias has tremendous values, at the same time it can be misleading. This is similar to the hindsight bias, and it happens to all traders. When a trader opens a historical chart, he immediately starts to find specific points where his current strategy would have worked. The trader usually tends to ignore the places where the strategy would fail. The fact that traders can see in hindsight what happened with price creates this illusion that trading strategies would have worked a lot better than they actually do in real time. This dynamic of focusing on the parts where a strategy works and ignoring the parts where a strategy does not work is clearly misleading. As we saw in the video about the hindsight bias, we can extract some value of hindsight analysis if we analyze all possibilities of our strategies in the past, which is to not ignore the faults of the strategy.